So today everyone, I'm going to be doing another cooking video of the ocean's weird and wonderful sea creatures. Today I'm going to be doing a New Zealand delicacy, which is the abalone. I'm going to do this a way for everyone to enjoy. So we're going to pane this, we're going to deep fry it, and it's going to be served with the Mojo mayonnaise. So I hope you enjoy. First things first, just get a big tablespoon and you can just lift it up from the shell like so. I've already done this prior. You can give your abalone just a gentle washing and you've got this beautiful shell as well. Because we're going to be deep fat frying, what we're going to do is just turn it over and we're just going to cut this into nice even strips. Take this little bit off the side, and here we've got our 3 lovely strips for deep frying. Mojo sauce, nice and simple. We've just got a selection of herbs here. In goes the parsley. So try and do it without making a mess. We've got our coriander, and I've chopped this up prior just to make the blending a little bit easier. Couple of cloves of garlic. I'm just going to cut those up a bit smaller, like so. We've got our chopped jalapenos. Get those in. Remove the debris from around the surface. We've got a bit of lime, so we're going to get all the zest in there. You can do this prior, it doesn't matter. Lime, all the juice. Then we do a good healthy glug of oil, like so. A good splash of white wine vinegar, that's probably about a tablespoon. Pinch of salt. Lid goes on. In. And here we have our Mojo sauce. And it smells fantastic. So in here, we've got about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And we're just going to pour over some of that Mojo sauce. And just give it a good mix. You just want to mix it until it comes together. Next thing is paneing the abalone. In here, we've just got plain flour, and I put in some salt and pepper. In goes the abalone. Shake off all the excess flour, just so you've got a gentle coating like so. Then we're going to go into the egg mixture. It's always really important to keep one clean hand. Into the breadcrumbs. And there we have it. Our pane breadcrumbed abalone ready for deep frying. So with our fryer set at 175 degrees, for the size of these pieces, I'm going to give it 2 to 3 minutes in the fryer. You've almost got some cute little fritters there. And the beauty of using the abalone is the shell, where you can serve your Mojo mayonnaise and with just a little bit of salt and pepper. You're good to go. So here we have it, our deep fried abalone and Mojo mayonnaise.